Hello everyone, my name is Adil Farouk. I'm CEO and founder of RevGlue.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you a new module we have developed and it's called RevImage. So what is RevImage? RevImage is a tool where it helps online publishers to convert your photos and images into smart e-commerce images. So you simply upload your image, tag the products from a 100 million database or product bank with your images, and get a simple piece of code that you can publish on your websites or blogs and start earning the commissions for every single sale which is going through your RevImage instance. So it's very simple. Let me give you a quick demo that how the tool works. So the first thing you have to do is register with RevGlue, which is free, and then log in to go to your dashboard, and under your publisher tools menu you can view the fifth menu as RevImage. Click on the RevImages, and here you are presented with all the RevImage instances which you have created in the past, and you can always click on the preview, get the code, or click on edit to go on the edit options, or turn it off. So we're going to create a new RevImage quickly and show you how it works. So let's click on the create RevImage. Sorry, and it gives you an option to upload an image first. So I'm going to find an image. So here is the image I'm going to create as e-commerce image today. So this gentleman is wearing a black suit. So what I want to do is find a black suit from a database and a tie, and then I'm going to publish this image onto my blog or website. So let's see how it works. So once the image is up, the second thing I have to do is create a mark. So I'm going to click on create a mark, and it's giving me the option, okay, where shall I click it? So I'm going to click on the suit, and as soon as I click here, it gives me an option for a search. So I can click on the search a product, or I can go to the advanced search option, find about the store, so find about the categories, or by the keyword, but I will rather use a simple search for now. So let's find a black suit. So the system has given me 258 products in black suits, so I'm going to tag this product for now. Let's create another mark as a tie. So this time I'm going to find a black tie. If you know the brand of the products in the images your celebrities or your friends are wearing, then you can drill it down by the store and find the relevant product. But I don't know yet that. So in that case, I'll just find the products to tag, and just to show you how the system works. So system gives me all the black ties which are kind of matching it. So I'm going to click on this product here. So the third mark I'm going to create is on a white shirt. So we have got some white shirts, so I'm going to tag, for example, this white shirt here. So I've got 3 products tagged here on this image. I can tag as many products as I like it. If I'm not happy with the product, I can just click on the delete icon here, and it will be deleted. So I can update, tag new products, at any time. Right, so now I want to see how it looks. So I need a preview. So preview button is already here. So but first let me give a title. So black suit 2020 look. The position at the moment is showing up is on shop on image. Okay. As a first timer, I don't know what does that mean, so I'm going to leave it as it is. Number styling, I'm going to leave it as it is. So just preview it. Okay, so I can see 3 marks on the image, and if I hover over it, it shows me the product image, title, store, price, and the buy now button, which is nice. If I click on the buy now button just to test it, oh right, so it takes me to the retailer website to buy the product. Pretty much same with the other products as well. So if I click on that image just to test it, yes, so that's good. Okay, so I know that I can tag the products with the image, and I can view the products on the image with the hover in this particular style. and I can allow the buy now button to be clicked, and it would take me to the retailer website. Very nice. Now let's go back and try the other options. So shop on pop-up, I'm gonna select a different styling this time, maybe grayish buttons, and I'm going to click on preview again. Okay, so the number icons are in gray this time, and also the products are showing on the right side, not on hover, not on the image while hovering it, so they are static on the right side with the title as well. This option is good if you have more than 5-6 products to show up at the same time, and your website has got decent amount of width as well. So this style is really nice for those sort of products. Let's try the third one, shop under the image. So I'm going to select green this time. Okay, so the icons, number icons are green, and also the buttons are green as well this time. And the product titles are showing up down there with the buy, with buy buttons as well over here, and the price as well, and the shop name is there as well in the title. So buy product name from this shop at the price, and buy now button. Great, which is quite useful. Now let's save this option. So I'm going to click on save, and the system is going to give me a piece of code. Great, so I can copy the code. Now I can put the code, copy and paste it on my website, on my blog, and then the same instance of the image will appear, which I just saved it, which is great. Then what will happen after that? The users on my website, on my blog, are going to click on those images, go to the retail websites to browse those products, and some of them will buy those products as well. So when they make a purchase on the retailer website, and when they buy those products, not specifically just those products, it could be any product actually on the retailer website, when they make a purchase. So we actually get the commission for referring the customer to the retailer as RevGlue, and we pass that commission back to you guys. So you can actually see all your clicks in your reports here. So the second menu we have here under my RevImages is clicks. So you can view every single click going out from your instances. So for example, these two we just created over here. So that is great. And exactly the same way you can view all your commissions. Yes. So as soon as they click is converted into a sale, you will be able to see that how much you have earned for the particular sale. You also get an automated email straight away, and as soon as you have £100 in your payable commissions, you can request a cash out from us, and that cash out can be paid in your UK bank account or your PayPal account. You can select on the cash out options how do you want your cash out to be paid, and then the final menu under this menu RevImage is called the payments. So you can view all your cash outs here, how it was paid, and how much value it had. All your historical cash outs are stored here, so you can click on the detail button to see what commissions were paid in the particular cash out to you. So you can export it, you can print it. There is no limits in terms of how many cash outs you can have as soon as you hit the minimum threshold of £100 in your payable commissions. So that's it. It's a great tool for online publishers, especially bloggers and website owners, and if you're running a fashion and beauty website with celebrity images, and you can convert all those images into e-commerce images. So it's great. Thank you very much.